Okay, I'm back on the other side. This is closer to the parking lot. The parking lot's on the other side of this. Oh, this is so cool. I love sandstone. Anyway, scrambled up here. Oh, well, it's not really a scramble. I walked up here. Going down's always a little trickier. There's always that one rock that wants to knock you on your ass. So you try to avoid them. Yeah, right. And walking stick in one hand and a camera in the other. Smart, right? Yeah, plus I got a camera bouncing off my chest here. But anyway, go back down. So, I think I'm ahead on. I've seen another trail on the way here. So this is what this looks like. It's like way cool. Seen it many times, and there's a lot more stuff way back there. But you gotta walk that worse and go way back in there. And then there's another spot that I've never went further. There are some footholds. And now that I'm healthier than I used to be, I can probably do it. Just ask my tattoo artist, Tina, from Tina's Ink. She'll tell you that I'm a lot healthier than I was in 2015. If she can tell, she's my doctor, my therapist. Okay. Rock on, man. Literally. Rocks everywhere. Yeah, I don't know how all these rocks get here. They're just scattered everywhere. Lots of cool rocks too. I don't know if I can Baja that way. Otherwise I have to go all the way down, go all the way back up. Oh, I'm gonna go that way. What can it hurt? Happy trails, man. Peace.